What is up? This is Green Brother Plays, and I'm going to show you how to draw a cat. Here are the materials you'll need. 2 colored pencils and a normal pencil. The colors are pink and light green. First, draw a circle. Next, to draw the ears, draw 2 triangles over the cat, like this. To draw the inner ear, just put 2 smaller triangles inside it. I'm done. Now to draw the eyes, just do this, 2 small circles, and then a line through it. You can maybe make it kind of like that. I'll get it closer to you to see it. To draw the whiskers and nose. I already drew the nose for you. It's an upside down triangle. The whiskers are like fish hooks that go away from each other. Now to draw some little freckly thingies. Just put a few dots everywhere on all sides. It's kind of boring but fun at the same time. Done. Lines going out of the dots like this. That looks horrid. That's kind of whiskers. To color, I'm going to start with the inner ear. And the outer ear. Just use the pencil, but shade it in kind of. For the eyes are simple, so I'm not going to do time lapse. All you do is fill in the little line, or just make it darker, and then put green on the outsides like this. Now to color in the nose, just do some pink and kind of make it a little darker with your pencil, like this. Time for the face. You just do this all around the face. Alright, I'm done. Do you like my cat? Dun, dun.